Hi, I'm Michelle Suter, President of Commercial Law Group. In this series, we're going to talk about different aspects of real property and when counsel can provide value to the transaction. Oftentimes in commercial real estate, you have a broker involved. Sometimes you'll also have a business advisor, and in connection with the buy or sell of a business, you may also have a valuation expert. Each of those professionals has a unique and distinct job. And while you may believe that the broker who's receiving the big commission check should be able to handle the transaction for you, while they can help with the transaction and the acquisition of the property, negotiation of the price, they cannot help with the terms. They don't always know the legal significance of the terms as it pertains to the transaction or you or your company, and they do not have a law license. So while they may use some pro forma contracts, they are not able to provide the negotiation on the fine points of the specific transaction, title issues, and other nuances that are strictly legal. There are other issues involved in real estate where the review of the documentation, crafting of the documentation, and explanation is something that you're going to need. From how title is received, whether it's a general or special warranty deed, a quitclaim deed, if there's a trustee's deed, if other entities are involved beyond individuals, those all have legal significance and have different aspects to them that you should understand when you're going into the transaction. If you have a business and you are now expanding into the facility you're now operating in under a lease, or moving into one or more company-owned properties, is that real estate an asset of your company, and should it be? Or should it be owned by a separate entity? And if you have multiple owners in the first company, the primary company, does that mean those people automatically own the real estate? These are issues that the owners really need to understand from a legal standpoint, from your estate planning, from your operations, and from your financial areas. There's all kinds of cross currents and matters that are affected. So when you are going into the transaction, make sure you understand all of the implications and all of the different aspects. And the best way to do that is to have your accountant on board, your broker, your business advisor, if there's one outside, or your person inside handling the transaction, and legal counsel. If you're in our area and we can help you, give us a call.